name is Bjan Yansen. I am a retired engineer from the oil and gas business, so to say, and I live in Stavanger, and I have a hut here in just not far from here. We have worked with a lot with wind turbines close to where I live and so on, and we are really struggling with the noise and so on. So that in a way was not addressed here, and that is the same. Yeah. But in general, presentation it was good. Yeah. Yeah, it was something new, a new way of looking at it. So, and especially with the virtual reality glasses was good. The first time was, yeah, I have seen them in Norway for many years, but also when I worked in the oil business, we installed wind turbines in UK 10-15 years ago, which I saw. Yeah.